Today we're going to take inspiration from a 1989 movie that I watched as a kid called Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. And in the movie, a dad who likes to create inventions accidentally shrinks his kids. And the movie is really fun because there's just these giant things that the kids look really tiny against. So they're in the grass, they're running away from nuts and bolts. So we're going to take inspiration from that movie and the Slinkachoo artists with our Worm's Eye View project, and we're going to make our own version. So this is something that you're going to want to do in Canva because we are going to be removing some background, and you're going to want to think about if this is a vertical or a horizontal image, and you're going to need two images, the images of a person or an animal that you want to shrink, and then your background. And I want them to both be your own photos. So when you create a design, type the word print, and I'm going to have mine be a portrait just because I can make sure that it is tall because my background photo is tall. And you're going to want to go to your uploads and upload your files that you're going to be using. I thought of an idea with a mushroom photo that I had taken, and I thought it would be really cool to shrink myself to go under the mushroom. So I'm going to upload that photo. And then I took a picture of when Miss Leach and I were twinning, and I used just my image, and we're going to remove that background and combine the two. So here is my background photo, and I'm going to stretch it out to completely fill the composition. I'm going to add the photo of myself, edit that photo to remove the background. And then I can still play around with things, like I can flip it if I wanted to flip it horizontally to be facing the opposite way. I want it to appear as if I have shrunken down, so I'm going to shrink myself even lower, and I'm going to position myself in a location that looks semi-realistic. So here is my inspiration from Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, Slinkachoo, and Worm's Eye View to create a fun composition. When you are done, go ahead and click Share, and you are going to download, and it can be a PNG or it can be a JPEG, and I like to just bump the resolution up a little bit before you download, especially if this might be something that will be printed. This download will show up into your downloads, and you can create a few examples for your Google slide.